Good morning! Today is Thursday. Last day na. Uwi na ako sa amin.
Yeah, malulungkot ako. Huwag ka na umuwi.
Naoy, ang bilis ng araw. Parang kahapon lang ako dumating. Tapos ngayon, uwi na ako. Breakfast tayo. And ginawan ako ni ate ng Milo. Ayaw niya akong tantanan. Hindi ako kakain. Papakainin talaga. Mga nandito na kami sa Koblenz. Yan yung train station. O, yung luggage ko.
Oh, yun na pala.
Nandito na ako sa may train. Umuwi na sila ate. Sobrang thank you, Ate Mal, Kuya Eric, and Dami. Sobrang thank you sa inyo. Babalik ako. 10:48 pa naman yung aking train and it's already 10:20. Yung biyahe ko ay 5 hours again. Dadating ako doon sa amin at 3 p.m. something. Nakaalis na kami. Kakaalis lang talaga namin. Daming changes nila. Tapos late yung train ko. Kakain tayo ng chips mamaya. Hello! Hello, sinawasagtang. Nandito na ako sa bahay. Kakarating lang namin. Dumiretso kami sa KFC kasi gusto kong kumain ng hot wings. Tapos, andito na yung ating YouTube! Wow! Before ko siya bubuksan, kakain muna kami kasi sobrang sakit ng ulo ko. Kasi sinisikmura talaga ako kanina. Sobrang naduduling na ako ba. Kakain muna kami. Hot wings at saka chicken crispy. What?
Das ist ja riesig.
Ja.
Jetzt habe ich bestellt.
10 crisp. Tsaka yung akin is KFC. Rice today. Okay. Pumayat yung asawa ko. Kakain muna kami kasi sobrang sakit ng ulo ko, promise. Sobrang bigat ng ulo ko. Parang sobrang laki ng ulo ko. Tapos na kami kumain. Yee! Ang pinakahihintay. Oh, may KFC pa tayo dyan. Not sponsored. Eto na siya. Bubuksan na natin. Yee! Siya yung pinaka-excited.
I'm excited to see how you're gonna open this.
Siya yung nangungulit na buksan ko na daw kasi hindi na siya makapag-antay. Baka magasgasan. Dumating to nung Monday pa. Kaso, nung Monday nga, umalis na ako. Makaalis na ako ng bahay. Maaga akong umalis nung Monday. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you! Wow! Meron pang ganito, oh. Ay! 9. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. Thank you! We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. Wow! They were they were inspired, challenged, and entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you. That you knew.
Let's see.
Nah. And we'd like to recognize you and all of you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you've found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations! Yours sincerely, Susan, CEO of YouTube. My God! CEO of YouTube! Ta-da-da!
Wow, das schaut ganz anders aus.
Ta-da!
Schaut ganz anders aus, als ich dachte. Ich dachte, das ist so. Ich dachte, das ist so ein Ding.
Naiiyak ako. Thank you.
I make the first fingerprint. What does it?
Ano?
I press play on you.
Yeah, you can show them my shots. Wow. I will not throw this.
Da bist du drauf.
Ah.
Sie haben sogar dein Bild eingefügt.
Oh.
Da,
Huh?
da bist du.
Whoa!
Da. Da bist du.
Meinst du ich? Lieb. Wow! I have a YouTube. Serve a play button. Serve a play button. Wow!
But it's
Thank you so
it's an
much.
aluminium play button.
Thank you.
Not the silver, it's aluminium.
A color silver heart. Thank you so much. Congratulations to us. Yay. Congrats, congrats. So you do a picture man shots. Picture with you. I will send it to Ate Mile on the TLC. Tiding, 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 ting, ting. Sobrang thank you sa inyong lahat. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa din ako makapaniwala na na-reach natin to. Wow! Nasa kamay ko na talaga siya. Pero hindi ko siya mahawak-hawakan ng bonggang-bongga kasi basa yung kamay ko. Thank you so much! Thank you so much sa inyong lahat! Sana hindi kayo magsawang magsuporta sa aking channel. Pagpasensyan nyo na yung boses ko, parang feeling ko magkakasakit ako. Siguro kulang lang talaga ng tulog. Send ko kay na Ate Mile at kay Ate Elfie. Picture-picture pa siya. Warum?
Vorne sitzt hinten, das sitzt bestimmt auch.
Wow. My playista. My playista. My playista. Yeah.
Wow. Sehr.
Was?
Ich wollte dich nur verarschen. Du bist ja weggefahren.
Matutulog na siguro ako. What time is it, my shots?
Time to sleep for you.
It's already 4:47 p.m. Gusto kong matulog. Uy. Matulog siguro muna ako kasi sobrang lutang na lutang yung utak ko. Sobrang sakit ng ulo ko, as in. Jet lag ka, girl. Sobrang thank you again, and i-end ko na tong aking vlog. Sobrang thank you sa inyong lahat, as in, abot lang yung pasasalamat ko sa inyong lahat. Sobrang thank you ng bonggang-bongga, especially sa Panginoon, sa family ko, sa friends ko, especially Ate Elfie and Ate Mile. Sobrang thank you sa inyo. And of course, sa inyo na nag-subscribe sa akin and na part kayo sa aking achievement. And sobrang thank you sa inyong lahat. So, i-display ko na to doon. Wow! Wow!
Hang it on the wall.
There! In the middle.
Okay.
I will put it in my computer table. End ko na tong vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like if you did. Leave a comment below. Follow me on my social media. Please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell para ma-notify kayo every time na mag-upload ako ng bagong video. And I will see you guys on my next one. Vielen Dank. Cheers!
Tschüss.